This video walks you through how to create a payment in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account credentials. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm which environment you are using. If you are creating a payment for testing, make sure the dashboard is set to sandbox or test mode before you continue. That detail matters because it keeps test payments separate from live transactions. After that, move to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the plus button labeled Create. This opens a menu with different items you can generate inside Stripe. From that menu, select Payment to open the payment creation screen. On the payment form, the first choice is the payment type. Select whether this payment will be one-time or recurring. A one-time payment is used for a single charge, while a recurring payment is used when the customer will be charged on an ongoing basis. Choose the option that matches the transaction you are setting up, then continue through the form. Next, enter the payment amount. Make sure the amount is correct before moving on, then select the currency that should be used for the charge. Stripe will process the payment based on the amount and currency you enter here, so it is worth checking both fields before you go further. You will then come to the customer section. If the payment should be tied to an existing customer, search for and select that customer from your account. If needed, you can also add a new customer at this stage. If the payment does not require a saved customer record, use the option that fits your setup and continue. After the customer details, enter a description for the payment. This can help identify the charge later in your records or on the customer side, depending on how the payment is used. You can also fill in any optional payment details shown on the screen. If a field is not required for your transaction, you can leave it as is and move to the next section. Now enter the customer's payment method. Depending on your setup, you may type in a new payment method or choose one that has already been saved to the customer profile. Review the details you entered so far before submitting, especially the payment type, amount, currency, and selected customer. When everything looks correct, click Submit Payment. Stripe will begin processing the transaction. You may need to wait a moment while the payment is submitted and confirmed. Once processing finishes, Stripe will show the result on screen so you can verify that the payment went through. Your payment is now created and processed in Stripe.